Okay, you need some red and white Testors model paint, a small paintbrush, a clean new toothbrush for cleaning, some painter's tape, and some simple green. I'm spraying some simple green straight on the toothbrush, and I'm gonna go in here and just scrub this up really good. Dry it out. Basically just gonna get this good coverage on the areas where the letters and the arrow are for the ignition. Make sure it gets in there real good. It's like basically you're just gonna carefully wipe this off. We're using some good pressure, a nice clean rag. Put my thumb around there too just to get the surface off real good. And just like that, looks brand new.